Hello guys, today in this video, we're going to help you to find out the best dashcam in market. I made this list based on my personal opinion, and I tried to list them based on their quality, durability, customer review, and more. If you want to see their price and find out more information about them, you can check our links in the description below. Number 5. Garmin Xero 10-0 50505 dashcam 67W 1440 and extra wide 180-degree FOV. Monitor your vehicle while away it was / new connected features, voice control, compact and discreet, includes memory card. Pocket-sized dash camera goes virtually unnoticed on your windshield. Automatically records and saves video of incidents with GPS location, date and time. Extra wide 180-degree lens captures more of the environment and records 1440p HD video with Garmin Clarity HER optics for crisp detail day and night. Voice control only available in English, German, French, Spanish, Italian, and Swedish. Lets you use spoken commands to save video, start/stop audio recording, take still pictures, and more. Saved videos automatically upload via Wi-Fi connection to the secure online vault to view and share later. The parking guard feature monitors activity around your parked vehicle and alerts if an incident is detected. Requires Wi-Fi connection. Access via the Garmin Drive app on your compatible smartphone. Number 4. Garmin Xero 10-0 50400 dashcam Mini 2, tiny size, 1080 and 140-degree FOV. Monitor your vehicle while away it was / new connected features, voice control. Car key-sized dash camera mounts discreetly behind rearview mirror and goes virtually unnoticed. Automatically records and saves video of incidents. Wide 140-degree lens records 1080p video with Garmin Clarity HER optics for crisp detail day and night. Voice control only available in English, German, French, Spanish, Italian, and Swedish. Lets you use spoken commands to save video, start/stop audio recording, take still pictures, and more. Saved videos automatically upload via Wi-Fi connection to the secure online vault to view and share later. The parking guard feature requires constant power and an active connection with Wi-Fi technology. Access via the Garmin Drive app on your compatible smartphone. Monitors activity around your parked vehicle and alerts if an incident is detected. Number 3. Nextbase 622 GOV front and rear dashcam, true 4K 30fps, ultra-high-definition automatic recording in-car camera. Wi-Fi, GPS, Bluetooth, Alexa enabled. Bluetooth, parking mode, night vision. 4K recording. The 622 GOV records in top-of-the-range 4K quality. When trying to make out finer details or capturing that all-important number plate, 4K recording quality is as good as it gets in a dashcam. While your dashcam records at 4K, your rear camera module can record at an impressive 1080p, covering your car from multiple angles and giving you greater peace of mind. Image stabilization. The 622 GOV dashcam features a new image stabilization system, which greatly diminishes the effect vibrations from your vehicle and bumps in the road have on your footage quality. This means when you play back 622 GOV footage, it will be very steady and finer details, such as number plates, have never been easier to make out. Number 2. Nexar Beam GPS Dashcam HD Front Dashcam 2022 model 32GB SD card included unlimited cloud storage parking mode Wi-Fi. Smartphone required. All Nexar dashcams require a smartphone connection. Our dashcams are compatible with iPhones 7 and above, as well as most Android models. To make sure your device is compatible, please see the full list in the FAQ section below. Please also note that Nexar does not operate in tandem with Apple CarPlay. The best dashcam for everyday drivers. The Beam is Nexar's most compact dashboard camera, easily concealable behind the rearview mirror. The camera records crisp 135 degrees wide video in 1080p Full HD quality. Smart detection and free cloud backup. The camera detects critical situations on the road, like collisions or sudden brakes, and saves them as short clips on the Nexar app. Number 1. Then-Kagoliari F70 Full HD 1080p dashcam with wide dynamic range. FUL HD 1080p. Record 140-degree wide-angle video in Full HD 1080p, 30 apps. Integrated Thermal Protection. Integrated thermal protection with supercapacitor and thermal sensor provides added safety during extreme temperatures. Anti-file Anti-file corruption technology eliminates data corruption and improves microSD card reliability. Multiple recording MODs. Continuous incident manual motion detection and energy-saving recording modes with smart file management to suit all your situations and needs. Optional ACESORIS. 2 ASH hardwiring cable for parking surveillance mode, and TTLA ASGM external GPS antenna to enable speed and red light camera alerts, and embeds data like speed and time to video recordings.